Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Charles Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Charles Schwab, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.schwab.com and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. Once the home page appears, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your user ID in the appropriate field. Make sure to double-check for any typos as this will affect your login. Next, type your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login credentials, check the box labeled Remember User ID. Once you have entered your user ID and password, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Charles Schwab account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check the information you entered for accuracy. If you forgot your user ID or password, click the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various features and options available to you. You are now ready to manage your investments with Charles Schwab securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.